Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into this video. So in today's video, I'm doing a Leo inspired nail art design. I'll be drawing the lion, which is the zodiac sign for Leo. I'll be using Young Nails gel paint and my Macart detail brush. I have on Prodip white dip powder that I mixed with diamond dust glitter on my nail right now. So this is the design I'll be following, and as you can see, I'm using a pencil to draw, and it's easier this way for me right now. This design wasn't very hard to do, so let me know who is a Leo in the comments below. When I was completed with the pencil, I went over the design with my Young Nails black gel paint, then I cured for 30 seconds. So I'll let you guys watch me do this. I found this part very relaxing and therapeutic. So I don't know, it's probably just me, but I liked watching this part of the video for some weird reason. And also, if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. So after this, I waited a while for the black gel paint to settle, but it seems I didn't wait long enough. So when I was using the eraser to remove the pencil outline, it kind of messed up part of the drawing. So I had to use a cuticle pusher to scrape off what I could. It kind of worked, kind of. So as you can see on the tail area, when I was drawing the line wasn't neat as I would like because it didn't have any top coat underneath. Remember, I didn't apply the top coat because I cannot draw with a pencil over top coat. So it didn't have any top coat underneath. So when I was using the gel paint, I couldn't get a neat line. That usually happens because of the lack of top coat. So I couldn't do anything about it. So then I applied the top coat to the nail and cured for 30 seconds. Then I was able to trace over the area and make the line thicker and neater. And then I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. Then I applied top coat again and cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. You will see a difference at the end of the video where I inserted a clip. Anyway, thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!